Hey, Jiaqi, look, 菜鸟果果 application is really good. You can get door-to-door delivery service and short message notification from the platform ASAP. Is 菜鸟 smart lockers near our dorm the same with 菜鸟果果?
They are all owned by Alibaba Group. Cainiao is the abbreviation of Cainiao Network Technology Company Ltd.
Does Alibaba Group deal in logistics? When I buy things on Taobao, the delivery company names are usually Yuantong and Yunda. I never saw 菜鸟.
Cainiao Network is really a logistics platform owned by Ali Group. But why is it called Cainiao Logistics or Cainiao Experts? I'm not sure about it. Susan, do you know?
I just know a little bit of this. We all know Jingdong runs its own logistics, but have never heard of Ali Logistics. In fact, Alibaba provides logistics services as well. However, Alibaba adopts a different approach from Jingdong. It's a socialized integrated operation model. Different modes of e-commerce logistics have different characteristics. Next, please ask the teacher to take us about this.
Love life, love e-commerce. Welcome to this e-commerce course. The topic of this lecture is an overview of e-commerce logistics. In this section, I will mainly introduce the concept, the features, the process, and the modes of e-commerce logistics. First, let's take a look at how to understand e-commerce logistics. In fact, e-commerce logistics has a narrow sense and a broad sense. In a broad sense, e-business logistics is based on traditional logistics, which effectively integrates e-commerce technology into various logistics activities by using high-tech tools and manages information scientifically. In this way, logistics can achieve faster process, higher accuracy, less inventory, and lower cost. In a narrow sense, e-commerce logistics refers to the process of storing as well as shipment of goods from an online store to the customer's destination. Logistics in e-commerce platforms also entails management of inventory during picking, packing, and shipping of any orders made online. In general, e-commerce logistics is mentioned in the narrow sense, which is along with electronic transactions. Compared with traditional logistics, e-commerce logistics has the feature of informatization, automation, networking, intelligence, and flexibility. Informatization is the process through which the new communication technologies are used in logistics. Information technology helps realize real-time data transmission. Automation is manifested as mechatronics and unmanned. Networking has two types. On one hand, it refers to the network of physical systems, such as the separated warehouses. On the other hand, it refers to the network of information. Intelligence is represented by decision-making intelligently. Flexibility is manifested in the fact that logistics should be customer-centric and propose flexible solutions based on customers' requirement. Although many people confine e-commerce logistics to after-sale delivery, it is also widely used in procurement and production, especially for the customized goods. The process is similar to that of traditional logistics. In procurement, activities include checking, receiving, and inventory management. In production, activities include sorting, storage, and circulation. In shipment, picking, packaging, handling, distribution, and order processing are included. Compared to traditional logistics, e-commerce logistics has better informatization and automation. With the advent of e-commerce, logistics has always been the bottleneck. So how to select logistics models is a problem that every business must face. At present, e-commerce platforms mainly adopt three types of logistics: self-support logistics, outsourcing logistics, and social integrated logistics. First, let's take a look at self-support logistics. It means the e-commerce enterprise also constructs its own logistics system and engages in logistics business. Then use this model to control the supply chain it involved in and improve efficiency and customer service. The advantages of self-support logistics is as follows. It can be controlled in a high degree, so it is conducive for enterprises to coordinate all aspects of logistics activities, and can also obtain first-hand information of suppliers, sellers, and end customers. It faces customers directly, so the brand value is greatly high, and it is easy to establish a better image for customers. There are also disadvantages of self-support. The investment in facilities will be greatly high, and the company has to face high management requirements. What is more, sales volume must be considered. Once the transaction decreases, the utilization rate of facilities will be even lower, and the company has to take greater financial burden. In general, logistics is not the core competence of e-commerce, so most companies will choose to outsource logistics. Outsourcing logistics can be defined as the strategic use of ISAD professional companies, namely third-party logistics, to perform activities traditionally handled by internal staff and resources. E-commerce enterprises connect with 3PL companies through information systems to achieve the control of logistics. Compared with self-support logistics, outsourcing logistics can help enterprises concentrate on their core business. In this way, they can promote strengths and avoid weaknesses. They can also make full use of the information network and facilities of 3PL companies to provide more flexible and diverse services. However, its shortcoming is obvious. E-commerce enterprises lack first-hand logistics information, which may increase the risk of dependence on the 3PLs. With the continuous development of the e-commerce, the requirements for professional logistics services are also increasing. This has compelled e-commerce and logistics companies to integrate their high-quality resources. They are also seeking partnership and mutual benefits through social channels. So we can take integrated logistics network as a community of logistics-related companies that aims to offer its members partnership across the globe. The social alliance ensures smooth and secure transportation, storage, handling, packaging, and the last-mile delivery of the cargoes. The future of e-commerce logistics must be a social alliance, which includes capital participation, mergers and acquisitions, and changes in the internal structure of logistics companies. Integrated logistics network aims to achieve a networked cooperation, namely sky network, ground network, and human network. Sky network means to get through databases among all the involvers. Ground network is built as a high-standard warehousing system to form an integrated physical network. Human network refers to the integration of deliverymen, offline physical distribution centers, and other facilities, such as self-service sites for package delivery. The advantages of integrated logistics network lie in the high degree of resource integration and high distribution efficiency. But the issues like allocation of profits and management are the biggest problems. Because the entities involved are more complicated, the coordination will be hard. How to allocate the interest among the partners and how to coordinate among them are still quite difficult for management. On the other hand, how to improve service quality through standardized construction is also a problem. The rapid development of e-commerce is not directly proportional to the capabilities of logistics, resulting in high logistics costs and low service levels. Therefore, the future logistics will be driven by capital and technology. Integrated logistics network will become a trend. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.